What do you wire these to?
0.35.
0.35, okay.
Point what? 0.35.
35? Living dangerous. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, this is a lowrider.
Yeah.
Oh. So what's your name real quick and your equipment?
Richard Cropper with Team Crucial Sounds, and we got 4 Def Bounce DB315s on 2 Def Bounce 7500s.
Okay. Have you metered it?
Yeah, I'm a 156.
Okay. Have you dialed your port in kind of where you're happy with it, or?
I think I need to go a little bit smaller.
A little smaller?
But only time will tell.
Yes, sir. What's the name of your car again?
Decaf Civic.
Decaf Civic. All right.
Check me out on YouTube, Decaf Civic.
Decaf Civic. All right. Can I see the amp real quick?
Yeah.
Awesome. What do you wire these to?
0.35.
0.35, okay.
Point what? 0.35.
35? Living dangerous.
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around. We got Richard's system. This was at the TDH Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Looking forward to showing y'all a bass demo. So this was his thumbnail at the time from his previous video link. He did a little bit more testing, tuning, tweaking, and shrinking the port in the front. So I recommend checking out that video after you watch this demo so you can kind of see how he progressed. You can see in this quick little clip here, he added the front loading wall for his port for his 4th order. Really solid brace that held up his windshield from breaking, shattering, or really flexing a lot. You'll see on the camera during the demo, it wasn't flexing as much as I would expect of it to because he did a good job bracing it. Same with inside the box. Look internally, you could tell he really built into the vehicle in this Civic. Really powerful amplifiers. Wasn't expecting to see them handle the 0.35 ohm load like he did, but he seemed like he's learned his limit. I could tell he was turning the knob up slowly. He didn't just full blast it from the start, and he knows the right song tone to play, so you don't have to worry about it protecting. He had really good voltage, didn't have a lot of voltage drop. Of course, you never really want to run an amplifier that low of an impedance unless you know what you're doing. So we're going to get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this dangerous demo he gave us. All right.
sucker, just
just pull out my big bitch
Dang, man. It plays a little lower too.
yeah.
I appreciate the demo, man.
Just a little bit.
What's the name of your car again?
Decaf Civic.
Decaf Civic. All right.
Check me out on YouTube, Decaf Civic.
Decaf Civic. All right. Civic David. Yeah. All right, man. You have a good day. Thanks for showing.
Thanks again.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.